Here you go. Don't give her anything that's in the box, you're not getting. Oh, that's so. Eh? You're not getting what's in the box. Brittany don't want to come on camera. It's alright, stay away there, it's alright. We're done with Brittany, she don't want to come on the video. Alright, everything good? Love the service?
Yes.
Alright, we don't know if you're here, but she said yes, she love the service. And Brittany give you a thumbs up. May I translate for Brittany? Brittany, you love it. Alright, so she said she love it. And she give you 2 thumbs up. And 5 star. I would recommend people to use it.
Definitely.
And that's a definitely. Alright guys. And she's right here and give me all that thumbs up, but she's not coming on camera. So I'm interrupting her. It's fine, it's fine. Alright guys, there's a link here. Click on the link, join us today so you can give us some thumbs up, give us some 5 star. Which this is what? An AOK. A1 service. Alright guys, catch you later. Bye bye. Brittany, tell them bye bye. Oh, me say bye bye.
Bye guys.
Oh, me
You can hear me, no?
Don't show her. Me forgot so. Bye guys. Thank you. Later. Guys, give us the thumbs, give us the okay, give us the thumbs up, give us the, what you should do? Oh, 2 thumbs up, alright? Go ahead, click the link, join us today. Allow us to ship your items from overseas and get them delivered here to your doorstep in Jamaica. Alright, enough blessings, enough love. See you guys later. Bye bye, Spanish song, big up on yourself. Bye bye.